Hello, my name is Sarah and I would like to talk about Orgie Xtra Time. Xtra Time products are intended to delay ejaculation, providing more time, more pleasure and better performance for men. Orgie Xtra Time comes in two options. Xtra Time Delay Gel was developed with selected natural active ingredients that decrease penis sensitivity. Its exclusive formula desensitizes the pineal glands, favoring the performance and allowing men more time of pleasure. And Xtra Time Delay Serum is made with premium-grade silicone that creates a thin pellicle on the penis that reduces the sensibility and the friction effects, prolonging the intercourse time. Both Xtra Time Delay Gel and Delay Serum are free of anesthetic ingredients such as benzocaine and lidocaine. To apply them, just pump the enough amount of Xtra Time on the penis with a brief, gentle and stimulating massage. Reapply as you wish. Now that you know about these excellent Xtra Time products, you should not miss watching to our video about Orgie Time Lag Delay Spray line, which can also be the ideal option of delay products that you may be looking for. Thanks for watching us, goodbye and dare yourself.